In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your shipping address on Amazon after placing an order. Whether you've realized a mistake or simply need to update your address, these steps will help you make the necessary changes swiftly and easily. First, head over to Amazon.com. This is the starting point for making any adjustments to your orders. Once you're there, you'll begin by clicking on the search bar. Although you're not looking for a new product right now, it's always good to familiarize yourself with navigating the site, as it will be helpful in future purchases. Next up is selecting a product. This step is typically part of the process when you're initially placing your order. Once you've chosen your item, you'll click on it to view its details. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Buy Now. This button is what you'd use to proceed with purchasing your selected item. After deciding to buy, the next step involves selecting your payment method. Amazon offers various options, so choose the one that suits you best. Once you've decided, click Use this payment method to confirm your choice. This ensures that the payment is set up correctly before proceeding. Following payment, you'll need to select a delivery date. It's advisable to choose the earliest available date that fits your schedule. Doing so helps you avoid any unnecessary delays in receiving your order. Once you've set your delivery date, click Place Your Order to finalize the purchase. Now, on to the essential part, changing the shipping address. To do this, click on your account name located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From the drop-down, click on Account to access your account settings. Here, you'll find many options, but the one you're looking for is Your Addresses. Click on it to proceed to the section where you can manage your saved addresses. Within the Your Addresses section, you'll see a list of all the addresses you've saved on Amazon. Find the address you wish to update and click Edit. This will allow you to modify any details necessary, such as street name, city, or zip code. Make sure to double check the accuracy of your new address to prevent any delivery issues. Once you've made the necessary changes, save your updated address. Amazon will now use this new address for future orders, including the one you just placed. It's always a good idea to return to your order details and ensure that the updated address is reflected correctly. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to change your shipping address on Amazon after an order. By following these steps, you can ensure your packages arrive at the correct location without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, consider checking out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on using Amazon effectively. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.